Guys, when your air conditioner filter light comes on, you got to clean your filter. Or if you don't have a clean filter light, you should still be cleaning these nasty filters this summer. I've been running this straight for a few days due to this horrible heat and humidity in the Northeast. And check it out. I just cleaned this about a month ago. Yet check out all the particulates and dust and hair, and they're very fine particles really doing its job here. So I've shown this before in videos, but what I do is I just run this under water. You can use a mild soap solution if you want, but basically you want to get all that stuff off. And after you've got that all clean and dry, push that carefully back into the filter slot. Helps your AC compressor and motors run more efficiently and effectively. Keeps your indoor air environment clean and healthy with those fine particulates that the filter's doing a good job trapping. Post your comments below and stay cool.